Hey there friends, today I'm going to show you how I make my Instant Pot creamy chicken soup. We're going to start with 2 frozen chicken breasts. You can also use fresh, and salt and pepper. Then we're going to add some dried thyme and dried dill, half of a diced onion, 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 cloves of minced garlic. And we are going to seal this pressure cooker up, and we are going to cook for 10 minutes under high pressure, followed by a 10-minute natural pressure release. Now we're going to remove the lid. And now we need to shred the chicken, and you can do that directly in the pot with 2 forks, or you can remove the chicken breast and dice them with a knife, or shred them after you remove them from the pot. Either way will work. Okay, now we've got all of the chicken back in the pot. We're going to add celery and some carrots and some broccoli. And if your pot will do this, that's great. We can put the lid on, and we're going to set the Instant Pot for 0 minutes to cook. All it will do is come up to pressure, and then we will release the pressure. If your pot can't do that, then I would suggest just putting the Instant Pot lid back on and just letting the vegetables sit in the liquid for probably 10 minutes to get soft. And now we're adding cream cheese and heavy cream to make this Instant Pot chicken soup creamy. Now we'll just stir it all up until all of the cream cheese has melted. Okay, let's serve some up, and this is perfect for these chilly days coming up this winter. This recipe can be found on my blog, jenniferbands.com, along with several other Instant Pot recipes. And I would love it if you could like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.